Well, howdy, everybody. Once again, we are coming to you from somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Today, in the middle of nowhere, we have got our CZ457 from J Delta 22 back out on the range. And since we've been on a kind of a quest to find a decent budget ammo, today we are going to try some Aguila Rifle Match. And, well, we can just jump right into this. I've never shot any of it in any rifle, so we got no idea what's going on. But, there's only one way to find out, and, that's to get one of these mags in here, chamber up around, and get started shooting. We've got our target down there, our nice little ARA target. We're going to start on the third row down on the left-hand side. So, I think we're comfortable. We're level. Looks like I did a little better job at leveling the target this time. So, let's see how this goes, man. And we're not off to a good start. One did chamber. Huh, well, that's kind of funky. Holy cow. Oh, man, we shot a full mill right. Huh. I'm going to call that a cold bore. Let's try that again. There really isn't any wind to speak of, or at the moment. So that didn't blow that round all the way over there. Well, it looks like we're kind of in the center of stuff now, or at least in the middle, not in the center. Look at that. Huh. What are the chances that that's going to stay like that? Wow. Huh. You got to be kidding me. And outside of that Fowler round or whatever, that looks pretty good. Huh. I had zero expectations. Because Aguila is just, it's never been like one of the favorites. That's pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and just skip, or we're going to go to that target. It's already got a round in it. You know what? We can go ahead and skip right over that, so there ain't no confusing. Let's see what happens. Alright, that's kind of what I was afraid of. I was hoping that those other ones weren't just a fluke of some sort. Okay. That was kind of where the other ones were going. The one just shot high a little. Yeah, most group has opened up. Ouch. See, that's more along the lines of what I was expecting. So if I was a guessing man, that's an inch. So that's too bad. But we got 10 more rounds to go. Maybe we can tighten things up. I've got a bee chasing me down. Ouch. How many was that? 3 or 4. I'm going to call this the last one. Stay at 5. Yeah. So I think that got better again. Let's move right over to the last one on the right-hand side. Excuse me. And we got another misfire. It appears that that one went into the same hole as the one up top. So that one tried. I don't know, man. It doesn't look. Nothing really looks horrible. I mean, obviously it ain't match. It says rifle match right on there, doesn't it? Is that what we're shooting? Yes. But it wasn't bad. Let's go down there and take a closer look. Well, here's our target. And I think it looked a little bit better from back there. But there wasn't anything just atrocious. Well, no. Yeah. Let's measure, shall we? Oh, we were starting here. Our first round went clear over to there. But then we did that. Man, that's 4 rounds. That's yeah, right at half an inch. So nothing to complain about that. And this one just opened way up. Don't know why, don't know how. But that's an inch that away. And we're just over an inch that away, 1 inch and an eighth. So, boo. And then we tried again, man, and we got 3 of them all nice stacked in there, but that's only 3 out of 5. And that left us over an inch again, 1.125. So that's too bad. Our last one tried to come back together a little bit. And we ended up with 3/4 on that one. So, all right then. We've got more to go. This week is going to be pretty much a Aguila week. So, sorry guys. The bees are loving me today. So yeah, man, we got some more Aguila products to try. Y'all stay tuned, and maybe one of them will change our lives. Guys, we love y'all. We hope y'all are having a blessed day, and we will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.